Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris. You want to see something cool? Of course you do. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of my very favorite musical instruments, and that is the kazoo. Now, it doesn't look like much, but it is a whole lot of fun, and it's not hard to use at all. If you can hum it, you can play it on this kazoo. If you can say it, you can play it on this kazoo, although it might be hard to understand. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to hum you a very common song that I'm sure you're going to get right away. I won't play you the whole thing because it's probably going to make your parents go crazy. But all I had to do is and I was able to play it on my kazoo. I can also say my name. Easy. But not everybody has a kazoo in their house. So I'm going to teach you how to make one yourself with stuff that's already in your house, most likely. All you're going to need is two things. One of them is a box of wax paper. And I have this in my house. I put cookies on it when I ice them so that the icing doesn't go everywhere. And the second thing is a comb. Now, I know all you good-looking children have combs out there. And I've tried it out with several combs. It can be a little comb. It can be a big comb. All that matters is that you have a comb and a piece of wax paper big enough to cover it. So I have a piece of wax paper and I've folded it in half. And now I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to put teeth side. These are the teeth. Teeth side in. And I'm going to sandwich it in between my wax paper just like this. Now, all you have to do is put your mouth on here and hum along the comb and you'll have the same thing as a kazoo. Don't believe me? Let me show you. And it doesn't really, you saw me moving back and forth, but it doesn't really matter where your mouth is. It makes the same sound. And it's as simple as that. What I do know is using a comb and wax paper is way more ticklish on my lips than my kazoo is. But they are both equally fun and they both are equally easy to use. And I really hope that you try making your own kazoo at home. Again, all you need is a piece of wax paper and a comb, any size. I hope you try this out and have a really good time. If you try this, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you can get notifications for future videos. I hope you thought that was really cool. See you soon.